All right, y'all. I'm back out the tub. Yeah, I got some company right now. Well, we're not gonna put him on the show right now since it's a Comic-Con episode. Y'all would assume that he's coming. All right, so I'm about to put some deodorant on, some Speed Stick. Okay. Some of you use Power Stick. I use Power Stick too. Some of y'all use Right Guard, spray deodorant, antiperspirant, and stuff like that. Put my socks on. Okay. As y'all looking at me, Okay. Put my shoes on and put these shoes on. They are Felines. If y'all can see the name, these are Felines. You know what I'm saying? All right. Do some of you folks still wear Felines? You know what? People from our hood don't wear that no more. When stuff played out, talking about, oh, this is played out. Who gives a damn what was played out? I wear played out stuff myself. Some people call Payless shoes or Walmart shoes no-namers, When they say no-namers, I call it Air Force nuns, Put these felines on, but look at the thing right there. Feline, okay? Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? A slip resistant, it says. Okay? Alright, so meet me at the convention center, alright folks? Alright, see you there.